okuva olwokubiri ssabbiiti eno paalamenti yatandika okubaganya ebirowoozo ku Ennoongosereza zino ekiteeso ky'okuseeseetula ekisanja okuva ku myaka 5 okudda ku myaka 7 egy'abakulembeze kibadde kifunanga omubaka n'omu akiwagira. Ngero Minisita omubeezi w'ebyettaka Persis Namuganza yasoose okwevaamu n'akiwagira mu kukubaganya ebirowoozo n'agamba nti okumanya bannansi baagala emyaka 7 akalulu ne bekateekebwateekebwa olwaleero bannansi bakisemba.
Term limits not now. 7 years. Right Honourable Speaker, I know some of our colleagues are just fearing here because the country is watching. They love 7 years. They do. They do love 7 years. Put there about whatever, a separate ballot and you see. It will go through.
Mutoni Rose Masaba, omukulembeze w'Ebubulwa West annyonnyodde nti emyaka 5 mitono ddala era abakulembeze abalondeddwa.
7 years, just as Honourable Namuganza said. Some people are fearing the population, but for me, I have got calls from my constituency. The councillors, the others, the chairpersons are saying, please support the 7 years, because they know what they have gone through.
Kabakabara bakiwakanyiza mubaka municipal Makindye Ssaabagabo kikozesa ajja ly'abeena abuulidde paalamenti nti ekiteeso ky'okwongeza emyaka kuva ku 5 okudda ku 7 ebbanga lyamaze mu paalamenti kyakajja emirundi 2 wabula kikukusibwa kwe kwebuuza ekigendererwa ekituufu ekiri mu kiteeso kino.
If one cannot deliver in 5 years, one will never deliver even in 10 years. And if you deliver in 5 years, then automatically the electorate will bring you back for another 5 and then you can take 10 instead of 7.
It's also very unfair, Madam Speaker, that as members of Parliament we come in here and we try to change what the people want.
We don't need to hurry bringing the 7 years in this discussion, Right Honourable Speaker.
We should return term limits and even entrench them.
That let us elect our leaders every 5 years. That's enough restriction.
Brigadier Persis mu kubakiise b'amagye mu paalamenti agambye nti amagye gasigale mu paalamenti era n'alabula nti singa gajjibwa mu paalamenti eggwanga lirekedde okuddayo mu kyalo mu katuubagiro akaali mu ggwanga mu biseera bya 1960.
Given the fact that we are not at home and dry as far as political stability is concerned, it becomes prudent that we maintain the military representation in Parliament.
Right Honourable Speaker, in the just concluded general election, there was a serious outcry about the involvement of the army men and the army officers in the elections. It could be the reason that maybe some members lost in the elections.
This is historical, and I think to avoid repetition of what normally transpired in the past of military taking over power, we can still accommodate them.
There is not a job description for them. We are happy they've kept our security very well, and so they can continue serving the country from outside, not from the house, Madam Speaker.
I wonder whether we want to transfer the command center here. That's why we must have only 2 or not more than 5 in the house.
The military are the custodians of our properties and our lives.
The vote on the motion for the second reading will be taken on notice. We shall give you notice which day.
Obedi Lutale, Nerocho Nakasiba Kusakidde Gulino, Bukedde TV1.